Hello everybody, this is Sarah at the library, and today I'm going to help you do a basic search for books and other items in our card catalog. First thing you need to do is go to the library webpage. And our library is part of a consortium with over 40 other libraries in southeast Kansas. We are always adding libraries, and so it's important to know that when you do this, you are going to be going to a card catalog that is maintained off-site by that consortium. So there's a couple of ways you can get there. You can search the ICC library catalog on this side of the page, or you can search the library card catalog under library links. We'll click there. And our consortium's called SEK Seek and Find, and this is their website. So if you're looking for a book or a book about a specific topic, this is the website that you can go to see what's here. One thing you'll want to know, if you want to make sure that it's in the ICC library, you will want to change it to Independence Community College there. If you have a few days, because most of these items come in within a week, and you're doing research ahead of time, then you can click all libraries and we can reserve a book for you. You can put it on hold actually yourself, and then it will come into our library and we'll let you know it's here, and then you can just pick it up and use it. So I'm going to leave it on all libraries right now. And over here, you can see you can do a keyword search, a title search, author search, subject. You probably don't know ISBN. If you might know a series and call number. The deal with series is it has to be in the record, so that's not always the best way to do it. A lot of people will know the title of a book, but if you're just looking for a subject search because you're doing a research paper or something, you can just leave it on keyword. So let's say that you're doing a research topic and you're going to do that research paper on cats. And you want to start with that topic. It's going to pull back a lot of results, but that's what I kind of want to show you. You click on cats. All libraries are clicked. So you're going to pull back all the items from every library in all 40 libraries. So as you scroll down, you're going to see that you got 26,000 results, which is quite a few. You can see here underneath the title, a few lines down, says items available for loan, and then it tells you where it's at. So this one's at Humboldt Public Library. As you scroll down, I don't know if we'll see any here. You can see this one is checked out, so it's not available. This one's at a couple of different places. So you can kind of see where things are. Now, obviously, you probably aren't going to look through 26,000. So you can always come over here and say, well, that was a lot. So let me see what Independence has on it. So you come over here and you click on the specific library you want. I clicked on more so I could see what we have here. Independence Community College. We have one with that subtitle. So I'm sure we have more, but that's in the keyword search. And so you can see here, this one's available for loan. That means it's in the library, Independence Community College, and it gives you the call number. So if you were actually in the library when you look this up, you could take that call number, go to the shelves, and pull the book. Okay. If you happen to not be at the library, you were at home, let's say you're at home looking for something, you can add it to your cart, kind of like shopping at Amazon, and you can add these to your cart. You see it's added up there in the corner. And then at the end, you can log in with your username and password for your library card, which we've typically been setting them up as your first name dot last name and your ID number. However, if you have not set that up at the library, it's not going to automatically be in the system with the rest of your things because it's set up through our card catalog on this Independence server. One thing you want to look, I'm going to go back to that bigger pile there. One thing you want to look at, if you're looking at all of the libraries, you'll see different types. There's books, visual media, which is usually DVDs, digital content, which is ebooks. Those we usually can't get from somebody else. I don't know if there might be some audiobooks that you would want to pay attention to. The other thing that might be in there and you might want to look at, so if you click on visual media, we'll do that for example here. Let me do that before I go on. It's going to just pull up anything that's listed as visual media. And that's a video at Coffeyville. This is a DVD at Independence Public. So you can kind of see if you're looking for a different item. I'm going to go back so we have more here. But what you want to know is that this is pulling up fiction, nonfiction, kids books, adult books, pretty much everything. So the other thing you might want to pay attention to if you're going to be ordering a whole bunch of books in for a research project is that you're looking in the right area. So, for example, if you're doing a research paper on cats, you probably don't want to pull juvenile books because those are kids' books. And you definitely don't want to pull like easy because that's like primary learning to read books, fiction books. Those aren't going to really give you anything. There might be some primary nonfiction that would be okay, just for some basic information. But if you were doing a research paper for a veterinary tech class, those are not going to be books that you want to look at. So what you might want to do is narrow it down by adult nonfiction so that you know that you're getting more reference book, or at least a nonfiction book about cats rather than just a mystery that happens to have a cat in it. And so that will help you narrow down your sources as well. And then there's some other topics down here if you have a narrower topic. I'm going to go back to the home page real quick and show you just a few other things that are on this. These are just some lists that you can look at. If you like to just read new books, you can click on that and it's going to bring up a link that shows you the new books that have been added to our system's catalog. They're not all here. They're often other places, but that doesn't mean we can't get them. So if you are waiting for a new book to come out, and you know it's out and you want to check it out and we don't have it, this is a good place to look to see if it happens to be in our system. Let me go back here. And there's movies on there, audiobooks, new kids books, new movies. So you can log in anytime. You can log in at home and see and put things on reserve. It also gives you state resources, and some of these are the same as resources on our college page, but there are some that are for kids, tumble books, that we don't include on our resource page, but you'll see like Mango Languages and the Auto Repair Reference Center, newspaper source, genealogy. So there's other things on here that you are welcome to use as a member of this library. So we've emptied out our cart because I didn't check in, but at the end you would log into your account, put those on reserve, and then they would just show up at our library in a few days and we would contact you. If you have any questions about our library card catalog, we don't have a designated catalog computer in the library because you can access this from any computer. So if you come into the library and you're looking for one spot to go, there's not that one spot. You can just use any of our computers. If you need help getting started, just let somebody at the desk know, and we would be happy to help you log on and get your account set up so that you can start searching and using our card catalog. Thank you.